What up, kids? Back at it again. This time I'm coming with a prank. I'm about to prank my sister. But first I want y'all to meet my puppy Savage. He's a lab mix and he's adorable and he's lovable. Today I'm coming through with a prank. I'm about to do the throw up prank, or throwing up blood prank on my sister. And she's like the easiest person to get because she panic and freak out over everything. But right now she at work, but you know, me and him, we just like chilling in the bathroom. He look crazy, he a little bad, but he's lovable. Look. Just look at those ears. Anyway, so make sure y'all follow me on all the social media, Twitter, Snap, Instagram. I'll drop them in the description box below. But without further ado, we're gonna get into this video. Bye. 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 Bye.
Okay. Hey. It's so bright in here.
We gotta go out to the grocery store.
Do we really?
Yeah.
Do we have? Okay, I'll just get something that's everything.
Is that what y'all want to do?
Or did y'all have something y'all wanted to eat? That's wanted to cook something.
It's whatever.
Yeah, matter to me.
Walk around. Y'all want to walk around?
You can. Have you been doing that? Jumping over that thing?
Right.
That's trademark. You might want to come check on the washing machine because it didn't want to go through the cycle.
I know.
Hey, bro, you okay? Hey, y'all, bro, chill out. Hey, Tyra, please. What's wrong? What happened? Tyra, please, somebody, get on your back.
Jesus,
Get on your back, Tyra.
I'm calling.
Come on. Are you okay? Tyra. Calm down. Are you calling? Okay.
somebody please call.
Okay.
Somebody please call. Jesus.
It's okay.
Please call.
You okay? Tyra.
Breathe,
Don't lift that up. Come on.
Just breathe, baby.
Come on.
Come here. Breathe, just breathe.
Come on. You good. He calling him.
I'm trying to get served. Hold up. Give me your phone. Where your phone?
It's dead. Raven, pass me your phone.
Tyra, you respond?
Come here.
Tyra.
Tyra.
I like it.
Tyra.
Y'all.
Come on, Tyra. Come on, Tyra. Come on, Tyra.
Call.
I'm here. Call. Let me help him.
Come on. It's a prank. Amber, it's a prank.
It's not funny. That's not funny.
Oh God.
That's not funny.
Y'all, I got Amber. I got her.
That's not funny.
On everything, I got her, bro. I got her. I did that.
That's not funny.
Amber, it's a prank.
It's not funny.
Amber, it's a prank. It's a prank, Amber. It's okay.
It's not funny.
It's okay though. It's a prank.
No, it's not.
It's a prank.
I thought you were dying.
She'll be alright.
Y'all ain't shit.
Raven came in clutch, but she was about to start crying. That's what I'm talking about, boy. So I'm talking about on everything.
That ain't funny. Fuck you. That's not.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Like, I didn't think this was gonna actually go through, bruh.
Oh my god.
Y'all,
That was amazing.
Bruh, I was about to start laughing.
Like, oh look.
You were pretty calm on to be throwing up blood.
Amber, you alright?
No, I'm not.
But guess what? I love you though. Amber.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this video.
Y'all ain't shit.
Y'all, get at me. Get at me. I'm out here. I'm coming back though. Out here.
Hey.